Hi, Bowen. Today our paper is paper number 2, right? This is grade 12, uh, first term paper, right? Grade 12, first term, second paper is this one. First paper is previous video, right? I think you uh, watched that video, and if you want to future our papers, please subscribe, okay? Our channel, right? Question number 1. 3 minus 5, 2 plus 3 root 5 as a plus b root c, right? This is the third, right? This is the third theory, right? First one, 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5, 2 plus 3 root 5, right? You have to just solve this one. Multiplication, very simple way, right? And 2 and 3, this is this 6, and here minus 2 root 5, and here plus 9 root 5, and here minus 3 times 5 9, right? And first here 15 and here 6, but here minus, then you can take that minus 15 and 6, that is minus 9, right? And here 9 root 5, here minus 2 root 5, and here you can take 7 root 5. That is the answer. Very simple, right? This is very simple because of this is the grade 12 first term paper, right? This is very simple. Now next one, that one also said rationalized denominator, right? Rationalize denominator. How to do that? Uh, 3 root 5. I erase this one because this is the video. No, you can post this one and you can copy that, right? I'm not taking the time because of that. This video is very big, right? Our previous video also, uh, 1 hour and 30 minutes. That is very long, right? Uh, Very big one. I'm uh, always going to short at this one, right? Okay. Rationalized denominator 3 root 5, 5 root 3. 3 root 5 plus 5 root 3. 3 root 5 minus root 3. 3 root 5 minus root 3, right? Now we have theory, right? That is O level theory. We know that a square minus b square equal a minus b, a plus b, right? We know that, right? We can take that separately squares. We can take that separately squares from this one. Therefore, we have to multiply it like this. What is that? From this one, right? 3 root 5 plus root 3. 3 root 5 plus root 3. We have to multiply it up and down these things, right? This one also search calculation, right? Like previous, right? Uh, and here 9 times 5 is 45. And here, how to take that 9? Here, this one is square, no? Uh, 3 square is 9, 5 is, root 5 square is 5. 9 times 5, that is 45. And here, minus 3 only, right? And multiplying these things, this one also same one, no? 45. And multiplying these things, and here, plus 15 root 15. Root 15 root 15. And here, plus 3 root 15, and we have to multiply this one 5 times 3, that is 14. This is 14 and this is 45. Total is 60, right? Here 42, we can take that 60 plus This one 18 root 15 divide, this is 45 minus 3 is 42. Now we can divide all the thing by 2. Therefore, this is 30 plus 9 root 15 divide by 21. Oh, now we can divide again, right? What is that? That's by 3. This is 3, 10. Here 3 root 15 divide by 7. Final answer is this one, right? Very simple. That is search calculation. You have to know about this one, right? How to rationalize denominator? You have to use this one only. Always try start from this one. No problem. Take the denominator here or here. No problem, right? You can do. Next one, log. I'm going to erase this one. I said again and again, this is the recording, and therefore you can post this one. No, if you copy this one, you can post. Right, right. So log 2, log 10 power of 2, and here log 2 log 5 base 4 5 plus 1. Right. This is 2. No, we can take 2 here. Right. So many ways you can solve this one. You can take this one to here, or you can use this one is like that. This is the theory. Log base AB equal 1 over log base BA. This one is easy, I think. No, I'm going to this one for here. This theory was to here like this, and log 10 to 2 divide log 5 4 plus 1. Right. Now we can take the 4 as 2 power of 2. Right. Take the 4 like 2 power of 2. Then these 2 take the front. That theory is this one. Log a to power b n equal n comes to front, and log ab, this n come to front. Therefore, this 2 also come to front. 10 2 and 2 divide 2 log 5 2. Right. 5 2 plus 1. Now you can cut like this. Right. And again, this is the base 2, and this one you can take the upside. Right. Log 10 2, this is the log 2 5 plus this is the one. No, we can say that log, we can say that log 2 2 same base. I'm going to that same base. That is the theory. Log AA equal 1. We can use the same base like that. Right. And again log 10 2 log 2 5 times 2, 5 times 2, that is 10. That is the 10, right? And what is that? Here is log AB plus log AC, that is equal log ABC. This is the theory, right? All the theory include this section, no? All the theories, right? Uh, this is the 10 now. That one also say other way, no? Right? That one also other way, right? And uh, now we have enough a space, and we can take here. I'm going to here log 10 2, right? Log 210, right? Log 10 2 log 210. Now you can use previous theory. What is that? This one, right? This one. From this one, we can arrange like this. What is that? Log AB times log BA equal 1. Log AB times log BA equal 1. Same thing, no? Therefore, that is the answer is 1. That answer is 1. Right. Right. Now we have next one, partial fraction. Right. Expressed in partial fraction. This one also first term, no? But in A-level exam using that is integration, with that integration calculus, right? Right. Okay. Expressed in partial fraction x cube, we have x cube divide, and that is x minus 1 is square x square plus 1. X minus 1 is square x square plus 1, right? Right. Here, right. This is third degree, right? This expression is third degree, and here second degree and here second degree, both on fourth degree. Therefore, no any constant or anything. But we can take that a divide, that is x minus 1 square, and b divide x minus 1 plus cx plus d divide x square plus 1. Because of that, this is the first degree expression. Because of that, here second degree, right? And we can multiply all the thing by this one, all the thing by this one, right? And here we can take x cube, and a times this one is here, we have to multiply this one from a, x square plus 1, and b multiplied, and here this one and this one, right? And that is x minus 1 x square plus 1, right? And cx plus d have to multiply x minus 1 square, x square minus 2x plus 1. Again we have to solve this one. X cube equal a times x square plus 1 plus b times x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. And here c x cube minus 2x square plus x plus d. We have big solution, no? And here d x square minus 2x plus 1, right? This is the only method. I think you use so many methods of this one, but this is the only one method in your syllabus, right? This one, right? No any other methods, right? I know so many students using various method, but this is the only one method, right? In your syllabus says this one only, right? Others not says that in your syllabus, right? And from cube x cube and 2x cube, b and c, no? B plus c equal 1 here, and x square here a, no? A n minus b n minus 2c plus d equals 0, and x that is b plus c minus 2d. Constant a here and minus b and minus b, a and minus b, and other c not c, and d equals 0, right? And we have four simultaneous equation, right? Four simultaneous equation, right? Then we have solve these things, right? We have four unknowns and four simultaneous equation. Step by step we can remove part by part, and we can easily remove a, right? We can easily remove a, and this is the one, and this is the two, and this is the three, and this is the four, like that, right? And we can easily remove uh, we can say a 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, right? We can say that from equation 2 minus 4, a and a cut, minus b and minus b also cut, minus 2c, d and d also cut, that is 0, therefore c equals 0, right? From 1 we know that c is 0, therefore b equal 1, right? From equation 3, from 3 we know that c and b is 1, c is 0, therefore 1 minus 2d equals 0, therefore d equal half, right? We know that d equal half, and we know that uh, b and d, therefore from equation 4, from equation 4 we can say that a minus b is 1 uh, plus d is half equals 0, therefore a also half, right? Now we can express this one is like this, A is half, x minus 1 square plus b is 1, x minus 1, c is 0, but d is half, x square plus 1. That is the answer, right? That is the answer. Using lone division, find the quotient and remainder when this one is the equation divided by 2x minus 1, right? Yes, we have. Right. Lone division. Yes, we can say that this is 2x minus 1, but we have to divide 2x4 plus 7x cube minus 12x square plus 2x minus 5. Now we can divide this one by this one. Lone division is very simple, no? Right? How to divide? This one divide by this one, right? This one divide by this one. 2x4 divided by 2x is x cube. We have multiplied this one. Oh, our rule line is this one, x cube, right? This 2x4 divided by 2x. Therefore, answer is x cube. X cube multiplied by this one. Here 2x4 minus x cube, right? 2x4 minus x cube. And this one. This one minus this one. What about 8x cube? 7x cube minus x cube, that is 8x cube. And these things also come here, right? And this one divide by again that one, that is plus 4x square, right? Again this is 8x cube minus 4x square. Again here this one minus this one is 8x square plus 2x minus 5. And this one again divided by that one minus 4x, and again multiplied minus 4x, sorry, 8x square plus 4x, and here 0, and here minus 2x minus 5 minus 2x, this one should be minus 1, and again minus 2x plus 1 minus 6. This is the answer. And quotient is this one, remainder is this one, right? Finish the question, right? Very easy, right? In your syllabus you have only quotient rule, right? In your syllabus, right? Right, right. We are going to next question. Question number 2. Express the domain, range, and codomain of the following functions. Right. This is y equal, first one, y equal root 8 plus x square. Right. We have to find out domain. What is the domain? This one, 8 plus x square, should be greater than 0, no? Right? 8 plus 8 square should be greater than or equal 0. Then we can take for x any point. Therefore, df belongs to R, any point. Because of that is x square. Sorry, that is x cube. X cube. This one also x cube. This is vary. X cube greater than or equal minus 8. Then we can take the root like this. What is that? X greater than or equal minus 2. This is the domain. Right? What is that? Therefore, df belongs to, this is equal sign, no? Square bracket, minus to infinity. Df belongs to R. This square bracket and here round bracket. Now, range. We need to find out range, no? How to find range? If it is minus 2, y x equal minus 2. What is that? X equal minus 2, this is the 0. Right? Otherwise, that is going to plus or minus 0, no? That is going to, then we can take that for x 100, right? Think about that one. That is 100. Then uh, that y goes to uh, root of 100. This is the uh, square is 10,000 and again 100,000. No, sorry, 1,000,000. 1,000,008. That is root of 1,000,008. That will be positive or negative, right? Therefore, that is the range, right? Then we can take the minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the range. Anyone? Therefore, R goes to, this is the minimum value is 0. No, we can change the here and there 0, and we have positive values and negative values of both one. Range is R. What is the R? R. This is the normal R range, right? This is the symbol of real numbers. Here one line, and this is the symbol. This is the two lines like that. You can see. I think this is the R. This is the symbol of real numbers. Okay, the range minus infinity to plus infinity. Anyone? Codomain. Codomain should be included. Range is subset of codomain. No. Therefore, codomain also that one. CODF. That one also are like that. And y equal, next one, y equal root 1 x minus 1 x plus 2, x minus 1 x plus 2. This one should be positive, no? This one should be positive, right? What is the positive? X minus 1, x plus 2 greater than or equal 0, no? We have to range like that. Here we have equal sign, therefore this is the colored and minus 2, and this one also colored and 1. We need two positive values, right? You can take the more than 1. We can take the 2 here positive and here also positive. Therefore, this range is positive. Then we can color it like that. And here you can take 0, therefore minus, and here positive. Therefore, multiplication of this one is negative. You can take minus 3 somethings, here minus and here also minus, both are multiplied by, that is positive. Therefore, you can take the positive value. Therefore, df is minus infinity minus 2 square bracket union square bracket 1 infinity, that is a round bracket, and df belongs to r like that. This is the theory, right? This one domain and a range. We have to find out range, Here minus 2, this one goes to 0, and plus 1, that one also go 0, right? And after that that goes to plus or minus infinity, same range. You can use that same range. Our previous paper, that ranges are different, but here not different like that, right? Our previous paper including that questions different ranges, but here all the ranges are same, and we can say that r belongs to that one, and CODF also codomain also r, very simple, right? Right. Right. Fx and gx are defined as follows. Fx given that uh, some ranges, and gx also same thing, right? That one also given some ranges, and draw the graph of fx and gx in same diagram. Then find the values of x4. This. We have to draw. First, we have to draw. Uh, that is fx, First we try to fx, and we have to draw minus 1 and plus 2 like that, Take the range, right? First, x plus 2, that is x lower than minus 1. I'm taking minus 1 is like this. This is the minus 1. Uh, x plus 2, and here plus 2 and plus 1, I'm taking plus 1 here and plus 2 here, and 0 here, right? This is the easy way, right? And take the middle range. Middle range is 1, fx equal 1 minus 1 to plus 2. 1. 1. 1 is this one. We can take 1. Minus 1 to plus 2. This is the 1. This is the y equal 1 or x equal if x equal 1 something anything, right? And x plus 2 uh, below side x plus 2, we have to take that minus 1 for x plus 2, right? We can take that minus 1 x plus 2. This is y equal x plus 2, no? We have to put minus 1, this is the 1. Therefore, this is the point, right? If it is minus 2, that one goes to like this 0. This is the value is y equal x plus 2. This is the equation, right? Other way given equation minus 1 plus 3. You can put that 2 here. That should be 2. And 3, that goes to like this. This is the point 3. This is the y equal minus x plus 3 like that. That is fx. Fx is this one. And gx, that goes to 0. 0 here, no? Yeah. Middle range is 0 to 1, no? That is minus 1. 0 to 1. This is the minus 1. This is the middle range. Y equal minus 1. That is given minus x minus 1. X is 0. That is minus 1. Okay. That one also going here. Then you can take minus 1. You have to put that minus 1 for minus 1. That should be 0. That one goes to like this. Y equal minus x minus 1. And next one x minus 2. You can take the 1 here minus 1. Therefore, this one goes to here. You can take the 2. That is 0. That one goes to like this. This is the y equal x minus 2. Now you have to take out point like this and point like this. First, solve these two simultaneous, and x plus 2 equal minus x minus 1. Therefore, this one goes to here and this one goes to here now. Here 2x equal minus 3. Therefore, x equal minus 3 over 2. Therefore, this one is minus 3 over 2. And this one equal 2 of this one. X minus 2 equal minus x plus 3. This one goes to here and this one goes to here. 2x equal 5. X equal 5 over 2. And this one is 5 over 2. Very simple. Now we have to prove that fx greater than gx. Fx is this one, no, greater than is this line, no, here to here. Fx is this one greater than. We have to range. If fx greater than or equal gx. Fx greater than or equal gx, we can take that x belongs to square bracket minus 3 over 2, 5 over 2, square bracket, x belongs to R. This is the range. Very simple. Right? Right. Now you have inverse function. That one also diagram, no? I'm going to here. No. You have to erase. Again, I said this is the recording, no? You can copy this one, post, right? You can pause this video and you can copy this one, right? This is the recording and you can rewind, no? Right. Let fx equal x square minus 1. Fx equal x square minus 1. Right. We need to find out f inverse x. Right. First we said that this fx equal y equal s square minus 1. Then we can subject x square, right? Carefully take the system, right? This is the given as fx and you can take that this is the y and this is the equation like this. Then you have to subject x square. Then this one goes to here, y plus 1 equal x square. Therefore x equal root y plus 1. This is the equation. Now replace x and y. Therefore y equal x plus 1 root. Now you can take the replace y is f inverse x. This is the equation, right? This is the equation. Draw the graph of fx and f inverse x in same diagram, no? Same diagram. Same diagram. First you have to x square minus 1, no? S square minus 1 is minimum point. Now you can take the graph like this, right? Here minus 1 and here plus 1. This one is fx is s square minus 1. Did the equation like that. Now you have to, what is that? Now you have to inverse function. Then you have to do identity function. This one. This is the identity function. What is that? This is the y equal x. This is the identity function. Take the image of this one to this one. Right? This point goes to here. This point goes to here. This point goes to here. These two goes. This point goes to here minus 1. Here minimum. Here also goes to minimum is like this. Right? This point goes to here. That curve is going like this. And this one goes to like, sorry. Point like it should be like this. Right? And this one is 1. That one is not symmetric, but you can take like this. Okay. This is the f inverse x plus 1 root. Graph is like that. Always take the mirror. This one mirror to here and this one mirror to here. This graph is inverse graph is mirror to fx graph and fx graph mirror to inverse graph from this identity function, right? From this identity function you can take like this, right? Right. Okay. Fourth one. When 2x4 kx cube plus x minus y is divided by these things, if there are no terms in x square, in the remainder find the value of k. Right? This function is 2x4 plus kx cube plus x minus 5. We have to divide it by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Other one is gx, quotient, right? Remainder has no x, any x squares, right? This is the third degree equation. Therefore, remainder should be second degree equation, second order equation. This is given as no any s square. Therefore, we have ax plus b only, right? No any x squares, right? Right. Now we can put that x for 1, x for 2, x for 3, for 0 for this one, right? Let x equal 1. We can take that 2 plus k plus 1 minus 5. This one is 0 and here a plus b. Equation is uh, k minus 2 equal a plus b, equation 1. Let x equal to uh, 2 power of 2 is 6, 2 power of 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32 plus here 8k, 2 power of 3 is 8, 8k plus 2 minus 5 equal this one also 0 and here 2a plus b. And here 32 minus 3 is 29, 8k, 8k plus 29 equal to a plus b. This is equation number 2. Let x equal 3. 3 power of 4 is 81. 81 times 2 is 162. Here 27. 3 power of 3 is 27. 27k plus 3 minus 5 equal 3a plus b, equation number, sorry, we have to solve this one, no? 160 only plus 27k equal 3a plus b, equation number 3. First we try to remove the b. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 from equation 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1, what is that? 8k minus k, 7k plus 31. 29 minus 2 is 31. 2a minus 1, a. That is equation 4. From equation 3 minus 2, 19k plus 160 minus 32, 128. That one also a. Now from equation, now equation 5 minus 4, 19 minus 7k, 19 minus 7, that is 12, no? 12k. And here 120 minus 31. 128 minus 31 is 8 minus 1 is 7. 12 minus 3 is 9, no? Equals 0. Now you can divide 97. Uh, no, k is like that, right? Right, okay. Question number 3, right? Question number 3 now. That is coordinate geometry, and this is the simple question, right? In the parallelogram ABCD, coordinates of a point ABC are given. Right? This is parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, and D. Point A 75, 75. B given 30, and point C given 9, 39. D is not given respectively. If the point of intersection of the diagonals of the x diagonals, this is the x, right? Find the coordinates of x. Very simple, no? We have to add those things divided by 2. What is the theory? Theory is mx1 plus nx2 divide m plus n, no? my1 plus ny2 divide by m plus n, right? And here ratio 1 to 1. Here 1, here 1, 1 to 1. Now we can take that directly. What is the x? What is that? 7 plus 3 divide by 2. 5 plus 9 divide by 2. Therefore, we can take that x is 7 plus is 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 plus 9 is 14 divided by 2, 7. 5, 7. 5, 7. Right. 5, 7. Hence, find the coordinates of point D. D also same thing, no? This is the external division. This is the internal and this is the external. What is that? my2 minus ny, sorry, mx2 nx1 divide m minus n, and my2 minus ny1 divide m minus n. This is the internal division, this is the external division, right? This is the division. This one 2 and here 1. 2 and 1. These two are equal, no? Therefore, we can take that this is the 2. This is the 2 and here 1. D. D is like that. 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3. Divide 2 minus 1. 2 times 7 minus 1 times 0. Divide 2 minus 1. Therefore, we can take that D equal here 10 minus 3 is that is 7. Here 14. 7 14. 7 14. Right? That is the answer. Find the length of the diagonals and sides, everything. Diagonals and sides, right? Uh, we complete these things. And length. What is the theory length? D equal root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. That is the theory, right? That is the theory. Now we have to, I'm going to erase this area because of that. We need to show this one. Right. First, try AB. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 square plus 5 minus 0. This is 4 and this is 5. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. 16 plus 25. 25 plus 10 is 35 and 41. Root 41. Then DC also same thing, no? We and DC. Why? This is the parallelogram, right? No need to find, right? We can say that DC also same thing, right? Same value. And BC, BC, 3 minus 3 plus 9 minus 0 is square. That one also, this is the 0 and 9 is square, root 9 is, that is 9. Therefore, that AD also same, right? Sides are complete. AD also same. And diagonals. Diagonals AC. AC. 3 minus 7 square plus 9 minus 5 square. What is that? This is the 4 and 16. And this is the 4 and 16. 16 is square 32. 32 is root 4 root 2, no? 4 root 2. And DB 7 minus 3 square and 40 minus 0. And here 16. And here 14, 196. And we can say that is a simple way, right? Here 4 is square and 14 is square. We can take that 2 and here 2 is square plus 7 is square. 7 is square is 49, 2 is square is that is 4. 49 plus 4, 53. 2 root 53. Finish, right? Finish. Question number 4. Question number 4. That is trigonometric question. And if tan theta equal, if tan theta equal, if tan theta equal, if tan theta equal 2 plus sec theta, tan theta equal 2 plus sec theta, tan theta equal 2 plus sec theta. Now we have to find out theta, right? Then we can take multiply all the things by cos theta, right? We can take, or we can take the square both side. No, I think that is easy, right? Square both side, and right, tan square theta equal here 4 plus multiply those things and multiplied by 2, that is 4 sec theta. Uh, Sec theta plus sec square theta, right? Sec square theta. Sec square theta is, we know that 1 plus tan square theta, no? We know that 1 plus tan square theta, right? Tan square theta equal 4 plus 4 sec theta plus 1 plus tan square theta, right? And you can cut those things, right? And here sec theta, we can take that sec theta is minus 5 over 4. Then you can take the up down like that. Sec theta cos theta equal minus 4 over 5, right? uh, Now this is minus, no? Then we can take the, that is second quadrant one, no? This is the second quadrant. Theta should be here. Then we can take the triangle also, but that is given that sine cos, we have to find out sine cos, no? We have to find out sine. Second quadrant cos is minus, but sine is positive. Sine is positive, no? Right, sine positive, and here theta, here 4 and here 5. This one should be 3. Therefore, sine theta equal 3 over 5. Cos theta equal 4 over 5. Sine theta is 3 over 5. Because of that, this is the second quadrant equation, right? This is the second quadrant, right? Right. Okay. And now we have to find out which one. Sine 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta divide 2 sine theta plus cos theta. Now we can apply directly. 2 times 3 over 5 minus 3 times, that is minus 4 over 5, and 2 times again 3 over 5 plus minus 4 times 5, and we can cut those 5 like that, and this is the 6, and therefore this one 18, 18 plus 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, that is positive, and here 6 minus 4, and that is 2, answer is 9, answer is that one, right? Right there. Next one, 2, write down sine a plus b in terms of sine a cos a sine b cos b, right? This question very similar to A level question, right? Our previous paper also same, right? uh, this question very similar, right? Very close, not that is not equal, because of that this one no include inverses, right? uh, Trigonometric inverse function, right? Because of that is not include your US first term syllabus, no, right? That is second term one, right? Then others are include, therefore this question very close to A level question, right? Very close, right? Right. Now write down sine A plus B, sine A plus B equal sine A cos B plus cos C sine B. I think you know that, right? These equations, right? Right. This is the just say equation, right? You have to memorize these things, right? A question is now deduce that if sine 30 plus alpha divide sine alpha equal root 3, that is given. Sine 30 plus alpha divide sine alpha equal root 3, right? We have to show that alpha equal 30, right? Now use this one. Sine 30 cos alpha plus cos 30 sine alpha divide sine alpha equal root 3. Now this one multiplied to here, this sine alpha, and we have to add values. Sine 30 is half, here cos alpha, plus cos 30 is root 3 over 2, here sine alpha, and root 3 sine alpha. Now we can multiply all the thing by 2 cos alpha plus root 3 sine alpha equal 2 root 3 sine alpha. Now you can cut one of this one and this one, and we can take tan alpha equal 1 over 3, therefore 1 over root 3, therefore alpha equal 30 degrees, that is given that 0 greater than alpha greater than 90, this is given, right? Equation is like that, right? Part 3. In usual notation, state the sine rule for triangle ABC, right? I'm not going to erase this one because this one combined with this question, right? Here, usual notation. This is the triangle, and here A, and here B, and here C, right? This one A, and this one B, and this one C. This is the simple A, this is the simple B, this is the simple C. What is the sine rule? Sine A divide A equal sine B divide B equal sine C divide C. You can say that that is constant K or something, right? Now In a triangle ABC shown in figure, that triangle is given, no? Triangle is given. This is A, this one 60, and this is B, this is 30, and this one alpha. Now you know that this is the D, you know that this one 30 plus alpha, right? Another thing is given, point D lies on such that AC equal DB. AC, this one, see, we can take this one X and this one also X. These two equal, I'm putting X, right? And another one, and I'm putting here Y. This is the Y only. Uh, right. Using sine rule for suitable triangle, show that this thing. Sine rule. That is given theory, right? Theory is given. What to do? We have to do something that is given in the paper, right? Very easy method, right? We have to no need to think about what is that, right? We have given everything given, right? We have to do only, right? Right. What is the first one? I'm using this one, ACD triangle. ACD triangle. Sine this angle and this one, right? Sine 30 plus alpha divide x, and sine 60 divide y. This one and this one, right? Sine 60 divide y, that is equation 1. Again this one. Sine rule for BCD triangle. What is that? We have to prove that sine alpha or something, no? Sine 30 divide y equal sine alpha divide x, that is equation number 2. We have to multiply those things. From equation 1 multiplied by 2, right? These two multiplied. Sine 30 plus alpha times sine alpha divide denominator xy. And here sine 60 sine alpha divide xy. You can cut xy. No, here sine 30, no? Sine 30. Now you have, what is the sine 30? Sine 30 plus alpha times half. Sine 30 is half. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2 sine alpha. Then you can cut like this. Therefore, answer is sine 30 plus alpha equal root 3 sine alpha. Right? But they asking like that using the result in 2 above. 2 above. Right? Previous one. Right? What is the result? Right? Previous, this one, sine 30 plus alpha divided sine alpha equal root 3. Therefore, alpha equal 30. We can use that. Right? Then you can divide these things. Sine, this is the answer. Sine 30 plus alpha divide sine alpha. You can divide this one. Equal root 3. Therefore, alpha equal 30. You can directly use that one. Right? You can direct use that. Right. Question number 4 finish. Let A and B non-zero and non-parallel vectors. Question number 5. Let A and B non-zero and non-parallel vectors and lambda mu belongs to R. Show that if lambda A and mu B equals 0, then lambda equals 0 and mu equals 0, right? Lambda equals 0 and mu equals 0, right? We have to show that. I erase this area only. Right. As lambda A plus mu B, lambda A plus mu B equals 0. We have to first prove that lambda equals 0. No, first one. Yeah. Now mu B equal minus lambda A. This one goes to other side. Therefore, divide this one also. B equal minus lambda divide mu. That is A. Right. Think about parallel theory. Right. Think about this one. These two parallel. This is the theta and this is the theta. And we can say that this is the AB. No, I am taking that this is the P and this is the Q. Right. These two parallel. We can say that P equal KQ. P equal KQ because of that these two are parallel. This is the K is scalar. K is scalar. Right. These two are parallel. We can say like that. And that those things are same thing. No. This is look like same thing. Right. Therefore, this is the scalar and A and B should be parallel. But question says A and B are not parallel, non-parallel. But theory, according to this theory, these two A and B are parallel, right? Here we can say that this is the contradiction that is not way, right? First we say that given that A and B are non-parallel vectors, right? If you can't see my letters, but I'm saying that no, without writing, within writing, I'm saying that, right? Then you can take the uh, what it what I'm saying, right? Given that A and B are non-parallel vectors, therefore B not equal minus lambda divide mu A. Therefore, minus lambda divide mu should be 0. Then lambda should be 0. Similarly, mu also equals 0. Right? This is the system. Right? You should know this proof. Right? You have to prove that. Right? You should know. Right? Let OSC be a parallelogram. This is a very simple question, right? Right. Let OSC be parallelogram. Here O and A OACB, right? OACB be a parallelogram, and midpoint of AC is D. AC this one, this is the midpoint D, right? And the lines AB and OD meet at E. AB and OD. AB this one, OD this one. This is E, right? Even like that. Let OA A and OB B. OBB. Uh, Using the triangle of addition, that one also given theory, right? That one also given theory using triangle of uh, right, right, right. Triangle law. We have to find out OD. What is the triangle? OAD triangle. We have to find out OD. Therefore, we have to OAD, right? From triangle law for OAD triangle, right? OD. OD is OE plus AD. OD is OE plus ED. OE plus ED. That is OD, right? We can add those things. OD, OA. OA is A. AD. AD we know that half AC. Half AC is half B. AC is B, no? Half B. You can use these things very quickly, right? No need to half AB and blah 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 blah. Some things you have to use this one is very directly, no problem, right? Therefore, it is 2A plus B, I think, no? Yes, 2A plus B divided by 2. That is the answer, right? That is the answer. Very quickly, that one, take that. Explain why OE, alpha OD, and AE, beta AB. Why? Same this theory. Same this theory. We can say that P and Q are parallel, P equal KQ, right? Two vectors are parallel. One vector we can say, right? One vector we can say uh, scalar multiplication of other vector, right? One vector we can say scalar multiplication of other vector. That is the theory, right? Now uh, this is the main theory. Now you have to explain your own word, right? You can explain your own word. This is the theory. Uh, Now we can say that OE and OD are parallel. I'm using this area. OE parallel OD, right? Therefore, OE equal alpha OD, right? That is the one. Next one, AE and AB. AE, AB, those things also parallel, no? AE parallel AB. Therefore, A equal beta AB. That theory also you can say here, no problem. But that this is enough. This is enough because of the parallel, right? We can say considering triangle OAE, where's the OE? This one, OAE, this one, OAE, show that this one. triangle లో for OAE triangle, OAE triangle, triangle law for OAE triangle, triangle law for OAE triangle, OE equal OA plus AE. Now you can use this one. OE is alpha OD, alpha OD equal, this is AN, this is the beta AB. OD is given 2A plus B divided by 2 A plus AB. AB we have to show that minus A plus B, minus A plus B, right? From the triangle law, AB is minus A plus B, minus A plus B, minus A plus B, that is AB. Now you can multiply those things by 2, 2 alpha A plus alpha B equal 2A plus, not plus, minus 2 beta A plus 2 beta B, right? Now we can say that here 2 alpha plus 2 beta minus 2 A plus alpha minus 2 beta plus B equals 0. Everything goes other side, one side, right? Here common is 2. Here alpha plus beta minus 1 A plus alpha minus 2 beta B equals 0. Then we have to find out alpha beta, I think, no? Yes, find the values of alpha and beta. Now we can use previous theory. If lambda A plus mu B equals 0, lambda equals 0, mu equal 0. Because of that, A and B are non-zero, non-parallel vectors, right? Because of that, those vectors are expressed in vector A is OA, vector B is OB from the two sides of parallelogram. Therefore, that is non-zero and non-parallel, right? A and B are non-zero, non-parallel vectors, right? Therefore, alpha plus beta minus 1 equals 0 and alpha minus 2 beta equal 0. Now you can use alpha is 2 beta, here 2 beta plus beta minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, beta equal 1 over 3. Then we can take that alpha equal beta equal 1 over 3, alpha equal 2 over 3. Finish, right? Finish. The length of side of triangular hexagon ABCDEF, ABCDEF is 1 meter, right? 1 meter. Forces equal to 4 2p for 3 q 2 q and 5 newtons act along these things. Find the values of p and q when we have to find out p and q. First we have to take the equation from p and q. This one was a very easy equation, right? right? First we have to AB, BC, CD, DE, EB, and AF. This is the regular hexagon, right? I'm taking A here, B here, C here, D here, E here, F here, right? Now forces AB 4 Newton, and BC P Newton, DC 2 Newton, uh, DE 3 DE 3 Newton, DE 3 Newton, uh, BF FB, this one, FB Q, and A5 5 Newton. Now you know that this is the 60 degrees. This one also 60, this one 60, and here 60, and here also 60, right? All the things 60. Find the values of P and Q. This one, the system forces reduced to single force 6 Newton 6 Newton in a direction parallel to BF. Parallel to BF, the system of forces reduced to a couple. Right now, resolving. First things is resolving. No, resolving this side, and we can take x. What is the x? P. First, we can take P directly, and uh, first one is this one. Next one, 4 cos 60. 4 cos 60 plus 4 cos 60 minus 2 cos 60 minus 2 cos 60 minus 3 cos 60 minus 3 cos 60, and again that one plus 5 cos 60, 2 cos 60, 3 cos 60, 5 cos 60, and this one cut. You can cut these things. Here capital X equal P plus cos 60 is half, 4 and half is 2, X is P plus 2, right? Resolve on this side. Capital Y minus Q plus, that is 4 sine 60 minus 2 sine 60 and plus 3 sine 60 plus 5 sine 60, and X equal minus Q, sorry, Y equal minus Q, 4 sine 60, 2 sine 60, this is 2 sine 60, and here 8 sine 60 and 10 sine 60. 10 sine 60, sine 60 is root 3 over 2 here plus 5 root 3, right? The system of forces reduced to a couple. Reduced to a couple. First one we can take from of this one. I am taking G from here. Center of uh, this one. Center of this one. This is the O. This is the perpendicular distance. This is the 1 meter. This is the half meter. Half meter, and we can take the length. This is the 60. This is the half, and this is the 1. This is the half, no? Half sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Therefore, this is the root 3 over 4 meter. One side. And this one also same thing. Right? But this one is half. Right? This one is half. I think no need to find moment. Right? This one is these things, no. If it is needed, we try to find, right? But this is stay like that, right? Try to question A. Question A. Question A. The system of force reduced to single force of 6 Newton in direction parallel to BF. Parallel to BF, no? Single force parallel BF. Parallel to BF, no? Therefore, it is parallel to BF. This one should be 0. X should be 0. This one 0. Therefore, P equal minus 2. P equal minus 2. Right? Y equal 6. Y equal 6, no? Y equal 6. 6 Newton. 6 Newton, no? Yes. Therefore, 6 equal minus Q plus 5 root 3, no? Therefore, Q equal 5 root 3 minus 6. These are the answers. Part B, couple. If it is couple, S goes to 0. Same thing, P equal minus 2. Y also goes to 0. Then Q is 5 root 3 only. Finish. Question is finished. Very simple, right? And this is our paper 2, right? Paper 3, very upload very quickly, right? Show that paper 3, right? Find the paper 3 and you can subscribe this channel, right? I think this one very helpful, this channel. Because of that, this channel I am not going to take any other words, right? Making any poems and singing and everything, but I'm doing teaching only here, right? I'm not going to say some blah 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 some things, right? This is the teaching only, right? I also know that, right? I also know the jokes or some things, right? Jokes and poems and singings and everything I know, right? But I'm not going to say you. Because of that, this is the professional class, right? My class is professional, right? If you want to learn professionally, you subscribe this one, right? And always you not find uh, blah 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 some things, right? I mean blah 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 something that is a joke or something. No, right? No need, right? This is the class, our class. Just saying like that. Someone is boring, maybe, right? But is but this is real teaching class, right? I'm not wasting your time, right? I want to uh, guide you, right? And teach you and coach you, right? That is the case, right? Okay. And my channel, including that uh, past paper questions also, and this term test. This is our model paper. These questions making by me, right? Uh, Therefore, these are the new questions, right? Right. Okay. Right. We will meet next video. I won.